The object of this game is to remove that big rock right there. The only thing is, you can't find the rock. So that's why we got a weed eater. Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. Alright, now we found the rock. Let's see if I can move it. Gotta find a handhold here place. Maybe I can move it. Oh, yeah, well, hey, what can I say? It's a fake rock. Actually, the real purpose we're here is to fix this leak. It is really leaking pretty good. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do. This is a water inlet. I might just cut it right here and put a cap on it here. This goes to an irrigation system out here that we're not using anymore. What size it is. Looks like it's 1 inch. These are the tools I'm going to need to repair this water leak. I'm going to need that reciprocating saw from Ryobi. I love Ryobi tools. And then PVC glue and primer and a cap. So now all I got to do is turn the water off and come back here and do it. The thing is, I'm going to have the water off to the entire park. That means the office and the 60 or 70 different sites that we've got. So I've got to have to kind of hurry and do that. Okay, I got the water turned on over there. You can't see it, but I got it turned on. That will relieve the pressure. So, as you can see, the drip has slowed down quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right here. Right there, get this out of my way. Okay, get this all cleaned up. Get all the burrs off of it. We won't use this again, but I want to make sure that it all seals. I forgot to bring a grease rag with me, so I dry that. It doesn't need to be dry, but it sure is a whole lot better. I don't know, to me it's just better to have it dry than not. So always, always, always put on primer. I don't know exactly what the primer does, but I think it cleans it, and it does start it to soften it up a little bit. Always put primer on both pieces. Always, always, always. Look at there, we got water running out, so I'm going to have to redo that one again. Try to get the water down in there. Make real sure you got lots of glue on that. Alright, I'm going to try. Yeah, it just keeps on coming up. If I can get it to stay down there, I'll put some more blue on it. What I should have done is brought the air compressor and put a little bit of air in here, pushed it out that way. It looks like it's going to stay right here. That's good. Alright. Put some blue on it. Again. Purple. Whatever you want to call it. Primer. Primer's cheap. Use a lot. Alrighty. Now we're going to do the glue. There comes the water again. Ah, shucks. Now it went back away. You know what? I'm going to call it good. Because I got 2 deals of primer on there, 2 layers. So I'm going to put a lot of glue. Put a lot of glue on there. Glue's cheap. Put a lot of glue on it. Make sure you get the inside all done real good. Put it on. Give it a 1/4 turn. Make sure that that glue gets all around the fitting. What this glue does, it actually melts the PVC. So it's all going to be one piece of PVC when it gets done here. And they say you can leave it, hold it for 7 seconds and it's going to be good enough. But I always leave it longer than that, just because I know how my luck goes. So anyway, that should be enough. But all right, now we're going to let that set for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes at the very, very most, and go turn the water on. All right, water's back on. There's no leak there. No leaks anywhere. All right, we got her done. All I gotta do is pick up my toys and go home. Please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.